Bolt Shear Unraveled. Hello there, language learners. Today, we're going to dive into the world of engineering phrases. Specifically, we'll demystify the term bolt shear. Have you ever come across this phrase and wondered what it means? Let's find out. Bolts are a type of fastener used to hold things together. They are typically made of metal and look like a long cylinder with a head. They often work in tandem with nuts, another type of fastener, to secure objects. Imagine constructing a piece of furniture, like a table. You'd often find bolts securing the legs to the tabletop. They are essential components in many items around us, from bridges to bicycles. Before diving into bolt shear, we first need to understand what shear forces are. Imagine holding a piece of paper by its ends and then trying to tear it by pushing one end upwards and the other end downwards. The force you're applying, which tries to slide the two parts of the paper past each other, is a shear force. In simple terms, shear forces try to make objects slide past each other. Now that we understand bolts and shear forces, let's combine the concepts. Bolt shear refers to the situation when the shear forces applied to an object are too strong for the bolt holding that object. This can cause the bolt to break or snap in half, much like our paper example from earlier. Think about a heavy shelf mounted on a wall using bolts. If you put too many heavy items on the shelf, the bolts might experience bolt shear and break due to the excessive weight trying to pull the shelf down. So there you have it. Bolt shear is all about understanding the forces at play on a bolt and recognizing that, like all things, bolts have their limits. Remember, it's essential to choose the right kind of bolt for the job to avoid any issues. Thank you for joining us on this engineering journey today. We hope this explanation shines a light on the world of bolts and shear forces. Stay curious, and happy learning!